audible enough when you're given a chance to talk, okay?
Mbona si wewe? That is the question you should be asking. Ni nini Naomi akona?
That's what we are talking about today.
Self. For you to unleash that girl power.
Gender-based violence. Hiyo ni kazi ambayo tutasaidiana na nyinyi. Hii ni data ambayo nimetumiwa na serikali kama nimekaa pale. Na hiyo ni huzuni kubwa sana. That's why nataka kuita chief ajiintroduce. Alafu atuambie tutafanya nini na hizi namba. Sama na gani? Hao watu ambao wako na hii mambo ya gender-based violence lazima washikwe.
My support is guaranteed. Wacha tuite wasichana hata wote tujaze uwanja. That is one of the ways that we'll be able to reduce the GVV, because most of them they suffer because they do not know.
If men and women come together and we work together, so that as we are teaching girls how to stay safe, we are teaching boys how to not rape, how to not inflict harm and violence on young women and girls from an early age.
Some of them even come with children. We help them through the legal processes that they are going through. We give them psychosocial support, trying to support them. Some of them have got physical injuries or serious mental injuries or mental effects.